Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video I'll be showing you how I made this pepper sauce with snail. I'll be starting with the snail, which has been cooked with some seasoning, and I also fried the snail, but please feel free to grill your snail. And you can also make this recipe using fish. I've got some fresh tomatoes, and you can also make use of plum. And I'll be using some spring onions. I always like to add spring onions when I'm making stew or any sauce. I've got chopped bell peppers, red, green, orange and yellow. And I've also chopped the tomatoes. I'll be using some onions which has been chopped. I used 2 medium size of onions. Everything has been chopped, and that's the spring onions. And for seasoning, I'll be using black pepper, rosemary. I've got some curry powder, white pepper and oregano seasoning. Please feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. And I'll be using olive oil, but you can also use any oil of your choice. I've got some seasoning cubes as well. I'm not going to add salt to this sauce because the snail is a bit salty, so I'll just be using some cubes. I will start by heating up the pan. Then I will go in with the olive oil. Please feel free to use any oil of your choice. I will heat up the oil. Then I will go in with the chopped onions. Please note that you can also add garlic and ginger, but because the snail has been cooked with garlic and ginger, so that's why I'm not using any. I will fry the onions on a medium heat until the onions is soft and tender, and I will be adding the spring onions. I will keep stirring the onions and the spring onions until it's well fried. Please note you can also make this recipe using any fish of your choice or even meat. There are times why I make this recipe with fish. Next, I'll be adding the tomatoes. And then I'll be adding the seasoning, which is curry powder, oregano seasoning, black pepper, white pepper and rosemary. And some cube. Please, if you want to add salt, feel free. Just a bit of cube, and I will give it a stir and leave to fry. Ensure you fry these on a medium heat, please. I'll be testing the sauce, and yes, it's very perfect. It's okay. At this point, ensure the tomatoes is not too dry before you add the snail, or if you're using fish or meat, that's okay. After frying the sauce for a few minutes, I'll be adding the chopped bell peppers. I will stir fry for about 5 minutes until the sauce is well fried. If you have not yet tried this recipe, please ensure you do. It's really nice. And if you've been watching my videos and you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please support me by subscribing. And finally, the snail sauce is ready. I always like my sauce to have not to be too dry, just in case I want to eat rice with it, because I love to eat white rice with this snail sauce, and it's so delicious. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for your support. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to support me by subscribing, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for your time. Have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.